How to get 5% off with Target REDcard. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can save or how we can get 5% off instantly with the Target REDcard, now called as Target Circle card. So without further delay, let's get into this video. First, let's understand what is Target REDcard or Target Circle card. So it is a card that comes in three options: credit card, debit card, and a reloadable card. And all these cards give you 5% off at checkout, no coupons or codes needed. So for that, you have to open up Google in your device, and once you open it, search for Target REDcard. Now head over to the first link on your interface. So here, as you can see, scroll down, there are three options: credit card, debit card, and reloadable card. Now all you have to do is choose the card type that you want. Then head over to apply for credit. Then you'll be prompted to log in into your account. Make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you have to fill in the quick application form. So make sure that you fill up the form. Then you will get a $50 bonus whenever you spend $50 within the first 60 days. So once you're approved with the card, all you have to do is just use your Circle card or your REDcard whenever you're shopping in store or online at Target. Then the 5% discount will be automatically applied to most of your purchase, including your groceries, electronics, and even drive up or same-day delivery. So that's it. That's how you could get a 5% discount or 5% off with Target REDcard. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.